Hey guys, this is Raeanne with Shaka Designs, and I'm going to show you quickly how to add your phone number as a clickable link in the Wix Editor. So basically you can make your phone number clickable so that people can tap your phone number on your mobile website and call you with one click. They can also do it from their desktop if their computer is enabled for that. So what I'm going to do here is I am in my Wix Editor, and I am going to add some text. I'm just going to drag some text over here. I'm going to enter the phone number. And basically, the thing that I always make sure to do is copy this. The reason being, I'll show you. So I'm going to copy this text. And now this window has popped up the text settings. And all you have to do is click on this little link icon right here. And you just have to tell it what it is you're linking. So on this left-hand side, you have a ton of options. We're linking a phone number, and all you have to do is paste that phone number here. So this is why I copy that number instead of retyping, because let's say that I entered in this number correctly, but I didn't copy it. And then I came in here and I typed it again, and I had one number that was off. It's going to dial this number right here. So that's why I copy and paste, just to make sure everything's right. So that's how you can link it through text, and anytime you link it, it's going to automatically underline the text. You can highlight it and take the underline off if you would like. But basically now when somebody is on your mobile site, they can click that. You also have a second option in the mobile editor, which is the mobile action bar. So if you go up to your mobile editor, give that a second. So I've got that text there still, but basically in the settings here, you've got mobile tools, and you can add what's called a quick action bar. And basically what this action bar does is you have the option to add or take away things. So you can remove this if you want, if you don't want email there, but it creates this little button so that it's just, again, a quick action bar. So basically when somebody clicks on that, it gives them options, and you can customize these options. So we've got the chat option. Since I have chat enabled on my site, you can add different social links, you can add email, you can add a phone number. So same thing with phone number. Click these three little dots, click setup, enter the phone number, again, copy and paste, and click done. And basically I'm going to preview this so you can see what it looks like. So the quick action toolbar is this little button here. This looks terrible because it's white on white. So you're definitely going to want to edit these colors. But if you click on it, it pulls up this option. And then if I were to tap on that on my phone, then it would directly call. So that's how you do it.